Before we go too much into the theory, I think a good starting point is to explore a couple of real-life examples of how generative AI can be used in B2B products. Of course, you've probably already tested yourself engines such as DALL-E or Stable Diffusions and generated images based on text prompts. But the use cases of large language models go beyond that and can be applied to developer tools, marketing and sales software, to product UI UX, to BI tools, etc., etc. If AI can generate pictures, it can also generate code. For example, Replit offers an IDE that can generate code based on the request from a user. A developer can just write a text prompt to specify a request, and the tool will generate code automatically. But the tool can do many more things, like explain in plain English what a piece of code does, or rewrite/factor an existing piece of code. As you can see from these examples, generative AI can really change how developers write code, and it's only the beginning. On the marketing software side, a lot of exciting things are happening as well. You can find AI-powered products such as Jasper.ai that can automatically generate articles, product descriptions, social media posts, add copies, and more.
So why not use Jasper and his AI superpowers to boost your writing and productivity? When writing articles or blog posts with Jasper, one of the most amazing features inside of Jasper is the ability to communicate directly with him, as if he was a friend sitting next to you. We call this Jasper Commands, and by doing this, you can write a blog post or article in a flash. Check it out. First, use Jasper to brainstorm ideas by asking him to generate some blog title ideas about a subject. Then, once you have chosen one, ask Jasper to write an outline for that title. Perfect. Next, ask him to write an intro paragraph. How easy is this?
Generative AI can not only create marketing content or code, but it can also change the way users interact with the product. In this example, a user will ask an AI to conduct a task for him inside Salesforce. The user starts by entering his request in a text prompt, here add maxni at adapt as a lead, and then the AI will interpret a request to automatically fill the relevant input fields, as well as click on the relevant button to finalize the creation of a new lead in the database. Of course, at the moment, it's more a showcase of what AI is capable of in terms of UX, but I'm sure we'll see real application of this in the near future. Another task that will likely be impacted by generative AI is writing SQL queries. Data scientists and engineers are used to writing SQL queries to retrieve relevant data or to set up analytics dashboards. A couple of LLMs are already tackling this problem by designing an AI that can translate plain English into SQL queries.
Let's try to pull the number of opted-in members grouped by organization. Cool, so we get the SQL query. It looks like it's adhering to our database schema. And you can see we're pulling from opted-in members and then joining on matching round, engagement, audience, organization, and then grouping on organization. So this is perfect, but it'd be more useful to see this across time. So let's edit this query to also group by the month in which matching round was created. Cool, so you can see we're now also pulling the month.
But we'll do even more cool stuff with BI/analytics tools, as generative AI seems to be good at predicting stuff based on time series, for example. Another very interesting use case I saw is video editing. Let's say that you recorded a webinar, but you said a couple of mistakes during this live session. A tool like Descript enables you to edit the audio files of your webinar by just writing it, and then it will automatically create the edited audio version.
But get this, Descript can turn your text back into audio.
I'm pretty sure this is a 1st edition super rare creature kawaii. I was wrong. It's a 7th edition more common than water creature kawaii.
It's called Overdub. Just type what you meant to say right into Descript.
I'm pretty sure this is a 7th edition creature kawaii.
And finally, picture generation is also coming to help you design presentations or to help you take notes and organize them automatically. This list is not exhaustive and we focus on the most obvious use cases. But the applications of transformers go way beyond human language. For example, AstraZeneca and NVIDIA designed Megamol BART, a transformer dedicated to drug discovery. Same with DeepMind, which developed AlphaFold 2, a transformer created to understand how proteins work. So you can expect many more fields where this AI wave will enable exciting new approaches.